Bonjour everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of French cuisine to explore a classic dish that's not only delicious but also steeped in history: bouillabaisse. Get ready to unravel the mysteries and uncover some unknown facts about this iconic Mediterranean dish. So, let's get started. The origins and history. To truly appreciate bouillabaisse, we must understand its origins. This fish stew hails from the port city of Marseille in France, dating back to ancient times. It was initially created by fishermen using their catch of the day that wasn't suitable for sale. They would simmer the fish with aromatic herbs and spices to create a hearty meal. The ingredients and flavor profile. Bouillabaisse is known for its unique combination of flavors. Traditionally, it's made with a variety of fish, such as sea bass, bream, and mussels. The broth is enriched with ingredients like saffron, tomatoes, fennel, and orange zest, giving it that distinct taste that has stood the test of time. The ritual of serving. Here's an interesting fact: bouillabaisse has its own serving ritual. Once the stew is ready, it's traditionally served in two courses. First, the broth is poured over slices of crusty bread, known as rouille, which is often spread with a garlicky saffron aioli. Then, the fish and other seafood are served separately. This two-part serving allows you to fully savor each element. The social tradition. Bouillabaisse isn't just a dish, it's a social tradition. In Marseille, it's common for families and friends to gather around a big pot of bouillabaisse, sharing stories and laughter. It brings people together, fostering a sense of community and connection. The influence on art and culture. Did you know that bouillabaisse has left its mark on the world of art and culture? Renowned French writer Marcel Pagnol even dedicated a poem to this dish, highlighting its importance in local culture. Its influence has extended to paintings, music, and literature, making it a symbol of Marseille's rich heritage. The modern interpretations. While bouillabaisse has a traditional recipe, modern chefs have put their own spin on it. Some variations include using different types of seafood to suit local availability, or even adding a touch of contemporary flair with innovative presentation and garnishes. Sustainability and conservation. As we celebrate the flavors of bouillabaisse, let's also recognize the importance of sustainable fishing practices. Over the years, the popularity of this dish has contributed to overfishing of certain species. By promoting sustainable choices, we can ensure that bouillabaisse remains a delight for generations to come. Provençal roots. Bouillabaisse is deeply rooted in the Provence region of France, where its name originates from the Provençal words, boule, meaning to boil, and abaisser, meaning to reduce heat. This hints at its traditional method of slow cooking. Saffron, the gold of bouillabaisse. Saffron is a key ingredient in bouillabaisse, giving it both its vibrant color and distinct flavor. Interestingly, in the past, saffron was used by fishermen to ensure the authenticity of the dish, as its high cost made it a marker of true bouillabaisse. The number of fish varieties. Traditional bouillabaisse includes a minimum of 4 different types of fish. The selection often depends on the catch of the day and can range from sea bass and monkfish to red mullet and John Dory, creating a symphony of flavors. The importance of rouille. Rouille is a crucial accompaniment to bouillabaisse. This garlicky saffron aioli not only adds depth to the dish but also serves as a thickening agent for the broth. Its name comes from the Provençal word, rouille, which means rust. The Bouillabaisse Charter. To maintain the authenticity of bouillabaisse, a Bouillabaisse Charter was established in Marseille. This charter outlines the necessary ingredients, cooking techniques, and presentation methods required to label a dish as genuine bouillabaisse. The legend of the 4 fishermen. According to a local legend, bouillabaisse was created by 4 fishermen who made a pact to share their daily catch. Each would take a portion of the haul, contributing to the diverse range of fish in the stew. A dish fit for royalty. Bouillabaisse gained fame beyond Marseille shores when it was served to King Henry IV in the 17th century. The dish's reputation for flavor and complexity spread, making it a sought-after delicacy. Traditional preparation on fishing boats. In the past, bouillabaisse was prepared right on the fishing boats using the catch that couldn't be sold at the market. This practice highlights the dish's humble origins and the resourcefulness of the fishermen. Bouillabaisse festivals. Marseille hosts an annual Bouillabaisse festival, celebrating the dish with cooking competitions, tastings, and cultural events. It's a testament to the enduring popularity of this culinary masterpiece. The global influence. Bouillabaisse's fame extends beyond France's borders. Countries like Spain, Italy, and Greece have their own versions of fish stews, influenced by Bouillabaisse's rich flavors and techniques. And there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about Bouillabaisse that make this dish even more intriguing and delicious. The next time you savor a bowl of this aromatic stew, remember the centuries of history, culture, and culinary craftsmanship that have gone into creating this iconic French masterpiece. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share our passion for food. Until next time, au revoir.